Hello and welcome. My name is Trudy Vesotsky and I'm the creator of this particular workshop. I want to, first of all, not only welcome you, but also appreciate you investing this time in yourself. I personally see myself as a lifelong learner. From the age of 16, I've always been looking at different topics that I can immerse myself in, and that's continued up until the current day and will continue. I love learning new things. I love experiencing different areas, whether it's for personal or business use, and I'm particularly fond of this particular topic and workshop. I spent over a decade in working in government in a senior position. I had a particular interest in grant funding and also in community development. Also spent over a decade practicing and teaching in behavioural psychology and also in business development, not only for people in small business, but also was contracted for the government to teach in the areas of communication, sales, and also business development. So I have a broad range of skills and knowledge, and my aim is to share with you everything and anything that can support you in your personal and business life. So once again, welcome, congratulations. Thank you for spending this time with me. I really look forward to seeing the outcomes that you have from using and utilising everything that you learn in this workshop. So let's get started.